So it's our very first broadcast. Boys and girls, say hi.
Hi.
We're going to show everybody out there our amazing math skills. So if you're ready, show me you're ready. First one, ooh, 9 plus 10. Caleb.
19.
How do you know it's 19?
Because if you have 9 and 10 more 10 and 10 frames,
Okay.
it'll be 19.
If you have 9 in a 10 frame and then 10, and then you've got 19. Thank you so very much. Did anybody do it a different way? How did you do it? James?
I did it like, so I know 10 plus 9 is just 19, but 9 plus 9 is 18, so I just count on one more, and I know 10 plus 10 is 20, so I count back one.
Wow, you had a lot of thinking there, because you started with 10 plus 9 is 19, and then you said that you know that 9 plus 9 is 18, because you know your,
Mathematician?
well, yes, you are a mathematician, but you also know that you know your doubles, right? So then 18 plus 1 more is going to give you 19, and 10 and 10 make 20, and then 20 and you count back 1 and you're at 19. You came up with like 3 different ways. All right, let's see if I have, ooh, 2 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, so Elia is reminding us that if we're thinking, if we have 1 way, if we have 2 ways. So think about it. Valerie has 1 way. Tell me what you have, Valerie.
I know 2 plus 2 equals 4, so if I just have a 10 and I add 4 more, it'll equal 14.
Oh, very nice. Did anybody do it a different? Oh, I like it. Do you see all the, they agree with you. That's how they would do it. Another way, Sydney has 2 fingers up, so she must have another way.
I know 10 plus 2 equals 12, and if you just add 2 more to the 12, it would be 14 because you counted on.
You counted on that 13 and then 14. And I did the little jumps here because we do that whole little counting on when we're on a number line, and we do those jumps. All right, very nice. Think about this one. 3 plus 2 plus 7. You're thinking, man, I already have people that have 1 way, 2 ways. Oh, let's see. What have you got for me?
3 plus 2, you know that's 5, right?
Okay, 3 and 2 make 5.
And then if you add 7 more, it would get you to... So I put 5 in my head.
Okay,
Count on 7.
okay. So if you,
11.
but you don't have 7 fingers up, you have 6 fingers up. Put up 7 fingers. Okay, so you put 5 in your head. Now you got too many fingers up.
12.
Oh, there you go, 12. All right, so you put 5 in your head, and then you count on 7 more, and you got 12. Did anybody do it a different way? A different way. You would have a 2. Janiyah has a 2. Tell me what you have.
I know 7 and 3 is 10.
Oh.
And 2 more is 12.
So you found the 10 that was in there. How many of you, I see that you are thinking the same way Janiyah is thinking. Very good. Okay, I have another problem. Ooh. This one's a little bit longer. 3 plus 1 plus 3. You're thinking 1 way, 2 ways. Luke.
I know what 3 plus 3 is 6
Why do you know 3 plus 3 is 6?
because I know my doubles.
You know your doubles.
And if you add 1 more, it's 7.
Excellent. I like that you're finding the double to help. Did anybody do it? Oh, see, a lot of people are doing it the same way you did it. If you did it a different way, you would have a 2 in front of you. If you did it a different way. Logan, how did you do it?
I would know that that 1 and 3 is 4.
Okay.
And I know that if I hold up 4 fingers, it's gonna be 7.
Okay. Does anybody else notice anything when you see 3 and 4? If you see 3 and 4, what do you notice? Sydney?
It's like you're counting.
It is like you're counting, but we talked about it being something. Do you remember what that's called, Elia?
Doubles plus 1.
Doubles plus 1, because there's that 3, and really the 3 plus the 1 gives us the 4, so the 3 plus the 4 would give us 7 if we know our doubles plus 1. All right, last one. 15 minus 3. Ooh, this one's a tough one. 15 minus 3. So, I'm thinking 1 way, 2 ways. Jackson, tell me what you get.
2 plus 3 equals 5, and then you have 3. 15 minus 3, it has to be 12.
Wow. Oh my goodness. I have a different way. I see though, your people. I'm going to go back to you in just 1 second. Did anybody do it a different way? Keely has 2 fingers up. How'd you do it, Keely?
I put up 5 fingers and I counted back 3.
Oh, how did you, because you don't have 15 fingers, do you? You used 5. How did you get 5 out of this 15?
Because there's a 5 in it.
There's a 5 in it. What else is inside of it? If there's a 5, there's also a, oh my goodness, Keely, you're so smart. Mwah. So you had 5, you counted back 3, and what did you get? Yes. And that made 12. Oh my goodness, and somebody else is thinking the same way. Oh, I've got a couple of people thinking that same way. And you want to know what? You and Jackson really used what you know about numbers and being flexible. Because Jackson said he knows that 2 plus 3 gives him 5, so 15 minus the 3 would be 12. Oh my goodness. And all of these are using these same numbers, but we're breaking them up. Did you get the same answer that Jackson got? Yes. But did you do it the same way? No, you counted back. Okay, so I'm going to step out here so that the world can see your beautiful math thinking. And we'll tune in tomorrow for some more number talks. Can you guys say goodbye?
Goodbye!